Hey guys, Mr. Barnes here again, bringing another math video. This video, I'm going to be doing a converting between inches and centimeters. So one of those common questions that you got to do, just converting between some basic imperial and metric or SI units. So I'm going to do from inches to centimeters first, then I'm going the opposite way. So I'm going to use a proportional reasoning for this, and I'm going to set up like a little mini equation. So if you're sort of struggling with that, this video will certainly help with you, and this is, to me, this is definitely the easiest way to do it. It works every single time, and it's really a thing of beauty. So I'm going to use the proportionality statement as that the conversion factor that 1 inch is equal to 2.45 centimeters. So how I do it is I look at what I'm given. So I want to convert 60 inches to centimeters. So I want centimeters, so I'm going to call my centimeters amount x. So I'm going to say x centimeters over what I'm given, 60 inches. And then what I want to do is I want to take my conversion factor and just match the units. So if I have centimeters on top, in my other fraction I'm going to have centimeters on the top. So 2.54 divided by 1, so that's centimeters, 1 inch. So all I have to do then is just multiply. So I cross multiply just like this. So I end up going 60 times 2.54. So x is equal to 60 times 2.54. So I'll come back over here. 60 times 2.54. And that gives me 152.4 centimeters. And there it is. There is my conversion done. So I'll do another example just to show you how it works again. So again, what I'm looking for, that gets labeled with x. So I'm looking for centimeters, that gets labeled with x. So x centimeters, and then I divide it by the number that I'm given, 7 inches. And that's equal to, well, I have centimeters on top, so I'm going to use that in my proportionality statement. So 2.54 centimeters. Divided by 1 inch, so 1 inch. So again, I just do a quick check, centimeters, centimeters, inch, inch, just like that. Cross multiply, so x is equal to 7 times 2.54, and then I'll just break this guy out. Trust the old calculator. If you need a calculator, get a Casio like this bad boy. Got it for like $10 and it's amazing. And that is 17.78 centimeters. And there it is, guys. Very, very nice. Alright, so, and if you want to show how units cancel, so I know some teachers get totally obsessed with this. So if you want to show how units cancel, what ends up actually happening is when I multiply these two numbers together, I get that this inches moves to the top, so I have sort of have the 7. I'll write it up here. It kind of looks weird. The 7 inches moves up here, so this inches cancels with this inches. So that way I only get centimeters left. So if you have a teacher who's totally obsessed with canceling units, it's so important. That's how it works, man. Like, this thing is beautiful. All right, so centimeters to inches. So I'll write my conversion just here, just so I can refer to it. 2.54, and the thing about proportions, they don't give a crap what units you're going to. As long as you got a factor, conversion factor that you can use, they don't give a crap about what order. Just straight up do it. So again, what I'm looking for is x, so x inches, and what I'm given, 75 centimeters. So then again, my order is different than the last time, but it doesn't matter. So I get 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters. So it doesn't matter that that's flipped around. All that matters is that these match, inch, inch, centimeters, centimeters, and that you have the right conversion factor. So then I end up just multiplying these two. So that means I get 75 divided by 2.54. So 75 divided by 2.54, and that is 29. That is a long repeating thing. 29 point, I'm just going to call it 0.5 inches. There it is. All right, let's try another one. So again, always do a quick check, inches, inches, centimeters, centimeters on the bottom. So again, I'm looking for inches. So then x inches over 795 centimeters is equal to, and I have 1 inch over 2.45. So I cross multiply, so I have x is equal to 795 divided by 2.54. Just like that. 795 divided by 2.54. And then I get 312.99, so I can call it 313. And that is inches. There it is, guys. Conversion factors, inches to centimeters. So hopefully this helped you on your quest to figure out all this math stuff. And if it did, share it, help a friend, and like and subscribe. Give me a comment if you found this video useful. If you have any ideas for any other videos, I'm running out of ideas, guys. So give me some ideas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class.